Retro typewriter style with mechanical keys, mechanical blue switch for ultimate gaming performance. The mechanical keys offer medium resistance, audible click sound, tactile feedback. Vintage steampunk round keycaps looks like a classical typewriter, brings you comfortable typing feeling, stable clicking touch. Ergonomic design with detachable wrist rest. The ergonomic ABS palm rest provides firm support that alleviates pressure on your wrist from gaming at an elevated angle. True RGB LED backlit light-up keyboard. This RGB illuminated keyboard has up to 168 LED backlit modes and 7 color sidelight. Press Fn+Pause to change the global backlight color. Supports single color mode and RGB color mode. You can also adjust the backlit brightness and speed. And you can create one customized backlight as you like. Metal panel 108 key anti-ghosting. The keyboard panel was made of top-grade aluminium alloy material, with matte finish texture, sturdy and robust enough to protect it from scratch. 108 keys full-size keyboard, and all keys non-conflict. Every keystroke is registered during intense gameplay and fast typing, no matter how many other keys are pressed at the same time. Let you enjoy high-grade games with fast response. PC gaming keyboard compatibility. Support computer systems including Windows, Linux and Mac OS. Plug and play. No drivers or softwares are required. Top reviews from the United States. Love. I am surprised how much I love this keyboard, especially considering the price. The retro keyboard buttons and sounds are so fun. I love how many options there are for color changing and that you can set it to change as you type. I use this keyboard at work to break up having to sit in front of a computer all day long. I don't even mind that it's wired, at least I don't have to worry about batteries dying. It's definitely worth the purchase, especially if you're like me and have no desire to spend more than $70 on a keyboard. I just wish I could turn off my office lights to enjoy how bright it is.